Bonjour mes amis, JustZay. Today's pair of shoes coming straight from Adidas. These are of course none other than the Anthony Edwards 2. Excuse my French, I'm still working on it. If you've been following me on IG, then you already know I just came from the south of France. Beautiful, beautiful place. If you get a chance to go, definitely go. But I'm still working on it, so excusez-moi. But today's pair of shoes are super duper exciting. Price hike of about $10, but I think it's worth it, and I think you guys will feel the same way too. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so what you're gonna get is 2 layers of tissue paper. One, of course, is branded by Adidas. The other is regular. And then you're also gonna get an extra pair of laces. And just take a second. Just look at this shoe. This shoe is beautiful. You're gonna have what they label a acid red right here. You're gonna have a core black right here. And then you're gonna have what they label as an acid orange. Now, part of me is like thankful that this is a sleeper to many, and that's my selfish side. And the other side is like, man, I wish people really looked at this shoe for what it is. That'll probably raise the price on these, but with a shoe like this, man, this is amazing. All right, so one of the big changes in design, as well as an upgrade in my opinion, is gonna be this textile lining right here, the shoe. This makes the shoe a lot more breathable. Not to say the first pair wasn't, but this makes it a lot more breathable. And I say that because if you look on the inside, let me focus in for you guys. Can you see that? See that netting right there? That's the protective little netting, which keeps your foot into place. But behind that is the textile we were talking about. See, look at this. Can you see that? See my finger? That is how thin this is. Now, thin isn't good as in breathable. I think this is a game changer. And low key, it has me kind of nervous because if you take out the soles of these, you get just the AE branded. But you can see that it does have the boost up top. At least that's what I'm thinking by these bubbles. So it looks like boost is gonna be on top and then Lightstrike's at the bottom. So you get the best of both worlds as far as tech goes. And then if you look, see this? You may not be able to see this. Hold on, let me try to focus in on it. You can see my finger just a little bit. Well, in person, you can see my finger moving. You guys can see that. So I'm a bit nervous, man, because AE on the court with these, man. You know what? I'm curious that how much does this shoe weigh? Let me see. Let's see how much this shoe weighs. I'm a bit curious. These are of course a 10.5, and we're looking at 470 grams. Okay, so a little heavier than what I was thinking, but very, very, very much breathable. You're gonna get carbon fiber right here in the back, which is amazing. Good design and functional. You're gonna get the Adidas branding right here. You can get the AE branding right here. You're gonna get the Adidas branding right here. Adidas branding right here. And then if you flip it to the back, you'll see how much traction this shoe is gonna give you. This rubber outer sole looks amazing. We got the AE logo right here as well. Good amount of traction on this shoe, good amount. This is a beautiful shoe, very, very much functional. I highly recommend you guys getting a pair of these, if not 2. All right, so can you slip these on with no hands? Yes, if you have them pre-laced the way I do and you plan on wearing them casually. The fitting on these is exactly the same as the previous pair. I went half a size up because I have a wide foot and basketball shoes tend to fit a little bit narrow. If you're gonna wear these casual, go a half a size up. If you wanna actually ball in these, you could probably get by wearing your true size. But if you had to go half a size up, then you'll be fine. Now, you're not gonna get much of a height boost with these. At most, you're gonna get maybe 1.5 inches. So don't expect too much with these as far as giving you extra height. But you can definitely feel the boost when you're walking. Very, very responsive. Good amount of padding. And can you take these off with no hands? Yes, you can. As I was telling you guys about the padding right here, good amount of padding on the shoe, and then you feel it a little bit more right up in this area. Definitely a good buy. I would recommend these. No, it's natural. There will be no audio.